Daily versus monthly compounding. Big difference? Compound interest confusion. Makes it sound better than it is. Daily compounding sounds impressive. Actually minimal difference. Confusing terminology hides truth. Savings account advertised. Daily compounding. Sounds better than monthly compounding. More frequent is better, right? On $10,000 at 2% interest, daily compounding earns $202. Monthly earns $200. Difference is $2 annually. Meaningless. But daily sounds way more impressive. Banks use compounding frequency as marketing. Daily. Continuous. Sounds sophisticated and beneficial. Reality? At typical savings rates, the difference is negligible. What matters is the APY, annual percentage yield. That accounts for compounding. Compare APYs, not compounding frequency. Compound interest is powerful over long periods with high rates. But that's investment returns compounding over decades. Not savings account daily versus monthly at 2%. Don't be swayed by compounding frequency marketing. Look at actual yields. Tomorrow, how brokers sell your trades.